In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Google Drive. Printing your files directly from Google Drive can save you time and make your workflow significantly smoother, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Google account. If you aren't, you'll need to go to the Google Drive homepage and sign in using your credentials. This step is crucial, as all your files are stored under your account, and accessing them requires proper authentication. Once you're logged in, navigate to Google Drive, where you'll see a list of all your available files and folders. Locate the file you wish to print and double-click it. This action will open the file and allow you to view its contents. Whether it's a document, spreadsheet, or PDF, it's essential to make sure everything is in order before moving on to the printing process. After confirming the document is set up as you desire, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. It's located in the menu bar and serves as the starting point for many actions within Google Drive. Clicking on File will open a drop-down menu with various options, including the print option we're looking for. Select Print from this menu. Doing so will open the Print Settings window, which provides a number of options to customize how your document will be printed. Here you can select your printer, choose the number of copies, and set the pages you want to print. It's worthwhile spending a moment here to ensure all preferences are set according to your needs. For instance, if you only need a specific page or range of pages to be printed, adjust the settings accordingly. In this window, you'll fill in all the necessary fields and configurations to suit your printing requirements. Check to see if everything looks correct, from the printer selection to the number of copies. Also, make sure that you've set up your document orientation, color preferences, and any other parameters your printer might support. Once you're satisfied with how everything is configured, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and click on the Print button. This will send your document to the printer and commence the printing process. The simplicity and ease of printing directly from Google Drive cannot be overstated. It's a resourceful feature that streamlines tasks for professionals and students alike. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to print from Google Drive. By following these steps, you can ensure that your important documents are printed efficiently and accurately. If you have any further questions or need assistance with additional features, feel free to explore other resources available online or get in touch through the comments section. Happy printing, and see you in the next video.